Hi everyone, let's see how to add an event to a Google Calendar. Well friends, open Google Calendar, go to calendar.google.com and sign in. You will see this interface when you sign into Google Calendar. Well friends, to create an event, here on the top left corner you can see a button called Create. Click on it and here you can see several options. We are going to create event, so click Event. And here you can see a pop-up to add an event to Google Calendar. Well friends, here you can see more options on the bottom. If you click on it, you will see the details view. Now we are going to add our event. So enter the event title. And here you can see date and time. I'm going to click date and from this calendar you can select the date. I'm going to select 14th December 2025. And from here I can select the date. And from here I can select the time. Just click on it and here you can see lot of time option. It will start at 3 p.m. and end at 4 p.m. on the same date. And click over here to select the time zone. And my time zone is GMT +6. Hit OK. And if this event is all the day, you can check this box. But it is not. It's for only 1 hour. Do you want to repeat your event? If you want, click here and you will see several options. You can arrange this event daily. You can select weekly on Sunday. Several options. But I will hold this event once only. And here you can see event details. If you want to arrange a video conference, then you can use Google Meet. Just click over here and it will create meeting for you. This is the meeting link. Okay, and here goes settings. Just click on it and you will see lots of options. Click cancel. Okay friends, here you can add your location. I'm going to add my location. Select this location and here you can see notification. Do you want to get notification? If so, here you can change the time. By default, it is 30 minutes before the event. Okay, and from here you can select the calendar. By default, Sam Alt calendar is selected, but you can choose other calendar. I'm going to select WordPress developer calendar. And from here, you can change the calendar color also. And here you can see it is busy, but you can make it free. And visibility, leave it default or you can select public. Okay, I'm going to select default visibility and here you can add description. I'm going to enter a short description of the event. Here it is. Or you can attach any file from Google Drive also. Okay, that's all. Here you can see save button. Just click on it and from here change the view to month. And here you can see on 14th December, here is a meeting.